Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching. Today a very quick video guys, but helpful for something if you need to work on the interior of your Mercedes E-Class W211. If you're wondering guys how to remove that trim, the dash trim, okay, right here, because every single person I've seen, they break those because they don't know how to remove them the right way. We decided to make the video guys. Some people wrap them in carbon fiber, some replace them with different style, and as you can see this one is even cracked, okay, right there. So somebody pried that thing and they didn't know how to remove it. So in order to remove it guys, what you need to do, you need to come on this side with a plastic prying tool. You need to pry only, remember now, only this side up. Then never ever pry on the rest of it. What you need to do, you need to grab it and slide it to the right of the vehicle. Okay, like that. With this end, lift it. Okay, and let us show you why now. Okay, this is the first clip that we removed. Okay, this is the only thing that you pry. It goes in this hole. The rest of the clips are the ones that slide. They go in here and you lock it this way. Okay, if you don't do it that way, you're going to break it. It's impossible to remove it. So we're going to show you quick now. Okay, you need to get it in the hose. And then you need to grab it and slide it to the right, to the left this time. When it's ready and you have the hole here for the clip, all you have to do, press it in. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.